Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nako, nag-i-snow na naman ngayon. 5 inches kami kaninang umaga. Akala ko mag-init pa kasi ano. Tapos yung suot ko lang, nag-heels lang ako, kabuang. Tika. Truck pa ang sinundo sa akin.
A tire on a tractor? No way. I'm sorry about that. I think you've got by.
Tignan niyo ang kahoy guys, oh, ang gaganda talaga.
What a hassle today.
Yeah, what time start the snow?
I don't know.
It's look like 9 o'clock in the morning, you know. But I forgot. So guys, ito yung ano ngayon. Akala ko tapos na yung
I lost all my keys.
Oh yeah. So what? I forgot what jacket you wear this morning, you know.
I can't believe it. I don't know what happened to all. Like both car keys are gone.
Oh my gosh. So maybe it's there only you don't know. You forgot you put on your pocket, you know. So ang ganda guys ng kahoy, oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Parang Christmas tree, lalo na yung maliit, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Yun, tingnan mo, oh, ang gaganda talaga, oh. Yun. So, snow pa rin guys kahit March 9 na ngayon. Today is March 9 at almost 5:30 in the afternoon here. At ito pa rin. Akala ko wala ng snow guys, oh. Akala ko wala ng snow kasi tingnan mo naman. Be careful. Not there. Why? Did you use this truck this morning?
Yeah, I used this truck this afternoon quite a bit.
Oh.
But the keys of this truck are in my right pocket.
Mm-hmm.
Keys and everything else was in my left pocket.
Guys, oh, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Parang bumalik na naman kami sa December. Pero ang gaganda talaga,
Can you
guys.
put your hand down here? See if it was down in that crack maybe or something.
No, I cannot because my hand is too small, but actually I cannot. But later, okay? Maybe you put on your jacket.
I'll check my jacket.
I told you before that maybe you put on your jacket the one you lose the key. But yeah, I'm correct. So,
Maybe I checked the wrong jacket.
ang gaganda ng mga bahay dito guys. So, tignan mo. Parang mga just drive if we reach in the house before we search, okay? Ang ice ngayon guys, parang ano siya, parang tubig. Pagtapakan mo, parang ang bilis niyang matutunaw. So yung suot ko, oh. Akala ko kasi high heels lang yan guys, high heels. So akala ko wala ng snow eh. So biglaan ba namang naghapon naman ang snow ngayon.
Yeah, I ate almost all the hamburger and beans.
Oh, you ate? Very good, right?
Almost all of it, yeah.
Yeah, I ate too for my lunch. Guys, hindi na gaano kagandahan yung mga bahay dito, parang natural na lang. Pero yung doon sa ano kanina, gaganda talaga. Yun ay mga 18th century, 16th century pa yung pinatayo ng mga bahay na yun. So, matanda na talaga. So he loves to do that, you know, every time. That is his favorite place.
Climber.
Yeah.
She climbs up.
Yan. Yung si Amy guys, she doesn't like the smell. She doesn't like the smell of the food. She's vomiting. So, hindi siya pwedeng kumain yan. Siguro, allergy siya. So, yan ang aking mga, yung black, meron akong white before, pero, binigay ng asawa ko kasi, kung saan lang umiihi, tumatae ang baho-baho ng ano. So, yun. So, si Amy, guys, nandoon lang siya, nanonood sa kanilang dalawa. Sabi niya, where is mine? Bakit hindi ako nilalagyan? So, yun. Uy, teka. So guys, ako rin, nagluluto din ako ng aming pagkain. Ayun. Ayan, kumulo na, guys. So, hinaan ko muna tong ano. Alam mo nang, yan. Kumulo na. Ito siya, guys, ay ano, oatmeal. So, yan, pinakulo ko muna. So, para yan sa mga matanda. Sa aming mga matanda. Pero yung ano, yung, siguro magluluto din ako ng ano, siguro, pang-partner ko dun sa oatmeal. Magluto ako ng itlog na lang siguro para ano. Kasi, para may kunting, ano naman, ulam. So, magluto ako ng kunting itlog. Tapos, lagyan lang siya ng kunting mantika para makatipid. Tipid-tipid tayo, guys. Tipid-tipid. Ayan. Ito naman yung ano ko. Kunting, okay lang. Oatmeal yan siya, guys. Yung aking mga alaga, guys, namahaw na. Namahaw na sila kay kanang pamahaw breakfast time na. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ng itlog. Ito yung itlog ko. Ano ko yung itlog lulutuin ko? Teka. So, magluluto ako, guys, para ano. Okay, come here. Ning, 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 ning. Where is your vitamins? You have another vitamins here. I want to feed this one maybe. So guys, pakakainin ko tong ating mga alaga ng kanilang pagkain. Yeah. Okay. Yes, there's a little bit. Amy, come here. Amy, come here. Amy, come here. No, she doesn't like to eat because she doesn't like to eat this one because I think she doesn't like the smell of the fish, or I don't know. Maybe this is mixed together with the salmon. And this one is yours, Luciana. At magluluto rin ako ng oatmeal para sa amin. So, dalawa lang ang pinapakain ko na pusa ngayon, guys, kasi teka. Hindi naman sila yan. Dalawa lang sila kasi Hi, Bashana. Hi, Bashana. Kurt is jealous, Bashana, oh. Kurt is jealous. When I call you, okay, yeah. This is Bashana. She is very shy. And that is Kurt. Yeah, oh, look. Oh. Yeah, they're so happy.
Hey, Court.
So I want to give them a food to eat. No, don't touch, honey.
Court's over here looking. They were here watching us eat breakfast.
He knows that I'm watching him, so that's why he's. Ay,